Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to create PDF reports with Airtable data using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample dataset from Airtable to generate a PDF report. By extracting the relevant information from the Airtable data, we can create a comprehensive and visually appealing report that can be easily shared and distributed. So without any delay, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create a Zap button. Next, search and select the Airtable app. And choose the New Record option. This will trigger the automation whenever a new record is added to your Airtable database. Now let's connect your Airtable account to Zapier to grant access to your Airtable database. Let's set up the trigger. In the base field, enter the name of the base you created in Airtable. In the table field, select the table where the data for your report is located. In the Limit to View field, enter Grid View to limit the automation to specific records. In the Include File Contents field, select False to avoid errors and return an extra file field with file contents. Now that we've set up the trigger, let's test it to make sure everything is working as expected. The test trigger was successful, and Zapier has fetched the report data from your Airtable table. Now let's move on to the next step, creating a customized PDF report using this Airtable data. In this step, we need to add another app and select the PDF.co app. And choose the HTML to PDF converter option. This tool will allow you to generate PDFs from HTML templates, so you can customize the report with your own branding and formatting. Now connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the action to create the PDF report from the Airtable data. In the HTML or URL input field, input the HTML code along with the data from Airtable to create the PDF report. You can customize the page orientation, page size, custom margins, and other settings as desired, but for this demo, we will use the default values provided by PDF.co. In the Output PDF Name field, enter a name for your PDF output file. Now let's test the action to ensure that everything is working as expected and generate a PDF document from Airtable data. The test was successful in generating a PDF report containing data from an Airtable table. To view the output, copy the URL and paste it into your browser. Here is the PDF report that was generated using data from your Airtable table. This report contains valuable insights and information that can be used to make informed decisions and improve overall efficiency. To learn more about PDF.co and its features, kindly check out our available tutorials on our website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.